This is a First Motion Lab channel. Welcome back, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you watch this video, soon of all you know how the solar panel system works. You need the inverter, you need the solar panels, connect them together, and that's all, you can use it. But if you want to take full power, you need something more. Most solar system works like this. The inverter disperses the power to consumption and to the battery charging. But if you are the charger, you can take full power from your solar panels and no 1 watt will be lost. And it can be useful for your business. Hello folks! Welcome on my channel, and today I would like to show you my working prototype of the MPPT charger, and I think it's interesting and I hope you like it. So, this device is based on the full bridge topology, isolated DC-DC converter. I used this topology for a long time and I think it's very reliable. So it has the MPPT system based on the microcontroller. It has the remote control and the remote display in the same unit. Here is the optocoupler. It needs for high voltage measurement. It works direct with the microcontroller. Here is the system to control output voltage and output current. That's double system, and we have the digital isolated port for connection to PC computer. Okay. The display allowed to watch over the health of the device and control it. We need some time to start the microcontroller because while it's starting up under the load we can get some problem. We can control the temperature, we can control high voltage, and we can adjust high voltage to follow max power point. So we can control the output voltage, but I don't know is it important for this or no. And important thing, we can choose the current to charge our battery to avoid overheat them or to avoid the damage our device. All these parameters we can control and adjust through the digital port connected to our PC computer. Why we need double management system? Look at this. Now we can see on the display 0 volts because the volt sensor isn't connected. We connect on the output port and we can see that 13.7 volts. Just the same on the screen in the PC board. Good. Let's take the volt sensor and connect it not on the output port, on the load. Just a second, I need to connect it. Okay. Look at the display. Sorry, one moment. I connected. I connect. Okay. Look at the display. You can see that it shows the 13 and 6 volts. And at the same time, the volt on the PC board is 13 and 7. It means that we're losing some power to heat up the wire. And this accuracy is very important when we're charging battery with huge current. The circuit of the secondary measurement system has been taken from the datasheet, and you can see it's absolutely not difficult to create. Now let me show you how can we use the isolated PC connection port. It just word classical word converter. It allow us to communicate the computer using the serial port. Okay, connected. Let's have a look at the screen. Here is my utility. It's absolutely easy to use, no registration, no installation, no clouds, nothing, just run and use. Here is the device info. We connect and we can see that the charger connected on the serial port number 7, and we can adjust the high voltage limit, depends on our solar panels. And you can see that changes on the PC display and on my old school display at the same time. Here we can see the limit of the output voltage. At E we can choose the limit of the charging current to avoid damage our battery. You can choose any kind of you want. And using bottom on the display, you can see that using bottom on the display, the current and voltage changes on the PC computer. It's absolutely two-way direction communication. Here is the log files that absolutely useful for developing your device. On the chart on the bottom of the window, you can see that the high voltage changes to high and low. It's absolutely useful thing to understand how much power you have got from the panels, and it's easy to understand what you need to do to increase your efficiency of your system. Here is the common electronic diagram of the device. We can see that we have the microcontroller for the MPPT function, and we have a shim controller. As a matter of fact, we can use this device like the DC-DC powerful converter. It just remove the microcontroller and that's all. This diagram you can download from my website, but full project will be available after the full test of the device. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for our new meeting here.